I analyze the stock in play. This includes looking at my 1 hour chart, my 4 hour chart, my yearly chart to identify major support and resistance, pre market highs and pre market lows. So on the screen right now, you can see I have a chart. I have clearly identified pre market lows in the green and then pre market high in the red. What else do I do after I have identified pre-market high and pre-market lows? Well, now I'm going to wait for the bell. I'm going to wait for my 9:30 bell to actually start my position. There's only three ways the stock can move. Number one, you go up. Number two, you go down. Number three, you go sideways. So once you understand the three directions that the stock can move, now you're ready to make your next move. Okay. As you can see at the opening, the stock went right up. It went right up to the pre-market high, and that is also your resistance. Okay, this is how you're going to play that 930, 933 candle. If we can't break above this pre-market high, okay, it is most likely that the stock is going to come back down to retest your pre-market lows. Okay, where would you put your support? Sorry, where would you put your stop loss? Your stop loss should be just above that pre-market low, maybe a few cents above there. Okay. All right. So on the next few steps, I'm going to, I'm going to share with you how I usually go about and play the stock and play the 930, 933 opening. I go with the trend. I size up big. Once I figure out my direction, I size up big. Okay. This means only trade in the direction of the current trend, guys. Do not fight the trend. The trend will be your friend to maximize your profit. You stay with the trend. If you reach your goals, my goals, usually 300-400 bucks, I stop trading. Okay. You you create this rule. I usually create my rules. Okay. And sometimes I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't follow my rules, but following the rules that you create is the best way to protect your profits and avoid overtrading, guys. It's plain and simple. And then if you lose more than your goals, which is my goals, is usually about $300 on the first trade, then I'll stop trading. This is another way to protect what you don't already lose. Okay, only take a certain amount of trades. For me, it's usually three trades, three trades per day, and I'm done. This will help you stay disciplined and avoid over trading. Okay, here are some of my weakness. Over trading after making a profit. This one gets me all the time, guys. This is a common mistake that trader makes. It is important to avoid to be patient and wait for the next trade opportunity, guys. Ignore your rules. This is going to cost you. This is a disaster recipe that is going to cost you. Okay. Sometimes you're going to make it, sometimes you're going to pay for it big. Not following the trend. This is a common mistake. Okay. Just trying to hold on to a losing trade. You're holding on, you're holding on, you're holding on, and you're just hoping the trade turns around. And then you end up being deeper and deeper and deeper in the red. Don't do that. Okay. FOMO. All right. Some of you Well, I'm gonna say, I've done it. You know, sometimes, I seen the stock just plunge right up, and it is something that I'm fear that I'm missing out on the stock. So then, I chase it up, then end up coming right back down. So that is gonna cost you. All right. Here are some tips to improve your trading. Practice makes perfect. Paper trades. Um, get a paper trade account. Follow some of the traders that are doing good. Get some free YouTube trades and stuff like that. Just do whatever you can to get yourself better, and don't pay for that stuff, guys. You know, a lot of newbies out there, um, they chasing the guys that are charging $3,000, $4,000 for a session, $3,000, $4,000 every 6 months. That's a lot of money. That's money that you can use to practice your trading account. So don't do that. All right. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone make mistakes, so it is important to learn from those mistakes and don't keep repeating them over and over and over and over again. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Reach out to other traders who are doing better than you, who's been in the game for a while, and ask for help. And again, these this is some tricks and some tips from me to you. Again, this is Evans. I'm with Trader Talk. Please like me on Facebook, like me on YouTube, and please text me. Ask me how I can help you. I'll be glad to help you. See you later.